Are there assets not covered by a will?
Not all assets that you have control of during your lifetime will be covered within your will. This commonly occurs by way of separate legal entities such as companies or trusts, which cannot be willed to someone as they are an entity of their own. Common assets not included within your will are such things as properties or the home that you live in, which is owned by joint tenancies, assets held within company or trust, superannuation funds, life insurance benefits. The family home is typically owned by a couple as joint tenancies. In this case, the ownership of the house will revert to a surviving spouse and bypass the will. At law, a company is a separate legal person and has the same ability to own assets as a human being. So therefore, you cannot will assets owned by a company to another person. However, any shares within the company that you own may form part of your estate. Chris, seeing that you own shares within your business, having a will is vital to ensure a seamless transition. Superannuation and life insurance benefits do not allow to be part of a deceased estate. Therefore, I would encourage you to set in place a binding death nomination within your super fund. This will ensure that your retirement funds go directly to your beneficiary and loved ones in a timely manner and with no hold-up in probate.
Besides a will, are there any further considerations?
Chris, the continuation of the running of the business is a key aspect when considering your estate plans. You've mentioned that the growth of the business is dependent on you. Well, succession planning of the business is a prudent strategy to ensure a business does not fall over in the event of death of its owner. By bringing in new shareholders and executives that can step in to run the business in the event of your death will ensure the continuity of the business and reduces the risk of loss of revenue.
For business owners, it's important to understand that a will doesn't cover all assets you control. However, blending the right advice with a thorough estate plan goes a long way to ensure that your last wishes are executed the way you want it to.